Hi friends, here we are given a semicircle with diameter AD and a chord BC which is parallel to the diameter, and each of the two chords AB and CD, they have their length has 2 and AD has length 8. AD is the diameter. What is the length of BC? BC is the chord that is parallel to the diagram. In this kind of problem, first we should draw the diagram to understand or to visualize the problem better. Let us see how. What they are saying like this. AD is the diameter which is of length 8. Right? AD has length 8. Now there is a parallel chord to this diameter, that is BC. Right? And is given AB and CD are AB and CD. They are of length 2. So these two are of length 2. That means the diagram is symmetric. Right? The diagram is kind of symmetric only. Now, what is the length of BC? BC, what is the length of this thing that we want to find out? Now, here, if you see ABD, this is a right angle triangle. Why? Angle in a semicircle is always 90 degrees. That we know, we have already given a thorough proof also why angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Right? In fact, we have given a generalized proof also that in a circle, by any arc, the angle at the center is equal to angle on the circle is equal to 2 times the angle on the circumference. Right? We have given a proof for this also. Now, in if it is a semicircle, then what is that arc? The arc is complete this one. And what is this angle? This angle is 180 degrees. Right. Now, any angle on the circumference obviously should be half of this 180, which is 90 degrees. We have already given proof for this in one of our earlier sessions. Please go through that. And how did we prove this? Right. How did we prove that any angle, this angle is double that of this angle? We have done simple thing. We have completed, we have drawn one more radius. This radius and this radius are equal. That means this angle and this angle are equal. Right? And once we extend, so let me draw this diagram again. This angle and this angle are equal. Right? There is a small, sorry. There is a triangle like this. This is equal, this is equal. Now if we extend like this angle is equal to, this is exterior opposite angle. If this is x and this is x, this should be 2x. Exterior opposite angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. So if this is x, this is x, this is 2x. This part is 2x. Now similarly, this angle and this angle are same because these two are radius. So if this is y, this is y, this is equal to 2y. So this is again exterior opposite angle. Same. There's a triangle like this. In fact, like this. So this is y and this is y. This becomes 2y. Right. So this plus this will become 2 into x plus y, 2x plus 2y. And this and this will become this is x, this is y. So x plus y. So that's why this angle is always double that of this angle. This is 2 into x plus y. This is x plus y. Right. That's how we prove this. Now in any semicircle, the angle is always 90 degrees. Right. This angle is 90 degrees. Right. When there is a 90 degrees, we can calculate this area of this triangle ABD in two ways. One way is half into base into height, where this is the base, AB is the base, and BD is the height. That is one way. Half into AB into BD. Right, that is one way. Another way is half into AD into BP. This is also height. BP is also height, and AD is the base. AD is 8, half into 8 into BP, and half. Now BD, what is BD? BD is 8 square minus 2 square, because 8 is the hypotenuse and 2 is the base, and this one is under root a square minus 2 square. So half into AB, which is half into AB, which is 2 into under root 8 square minus 2 square. That is the area of this rectangle, this triangle ABD. ABD, right, is equal to half into 8 into VP, right? So equating these two, we are getting VP as root 15 by 2. That is this one, root 15 by 2. Now, once we get VP, we can get AP. How? This again, ABP is again a right angle triangle. So AB square minus VP square under root of that will give AP, right? AP square plus VP square is equal to AB square, right? So now what is AP? AP is under root 2 square minus whatever, this square, root 15 by 2 square. That is 15 by 4. So 4 minus root 15 by 4, we are getting AP as half. So if AP is half, then QD is also half because this diagram is symmetric. Right. AP equal to DQ is equal to half. So what is BC? BC is equal to PQ, which is equal to AD minus 2 into AP. Right. So which is PQ is equal to 8 minus 2 into half. 2 into half, which is 1. So total BC is equal to 7. This is also very easy problem. Just that we have to remember this thing that angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees and we can calculate areas of a triangle in multiple ways. Hope you understood this. Hope you like this. Thank you guys.